Hello to all engineers. In this demo I'm going to represent Multisuite software. What is Multisuite software? Multisuite software is a software for drafting and modeling structure. There are three modules in Multisuite: MultiSTEEL, multi-rebar, and MultiSTEEL offshore. For the first part, I'm going through the software. I click to the Multisuite software. I want to model this top side that we can see in a 2D view, which is drawing by AutoCAD. Firstly, I click to the DS, which is drawing steel. In Draw Steel window, we have a different drawing method, which is end views, form, label, members, metered, and next view. And we have a different shape that we can see are listed here, and we have a different size. Also, we have a database. In database, we have a different code that you can see. Also, if the size of the section is not available in the shape, so we can create by ourselves and we can add it here. Then I click to the OK. We have a different kind of section in this drawing: IPE 500, IPE 400, IPE 300, and we have a tabular pipe, or we can say circular hollow section, which is 219.1 times 12.7. I'm going to show you how we can add this drawing in MultiSTEEL very fastly. So I'm choosing the center justify, then I'm choosing IPE 500. The representation should be in 2D. The justification should be in central, and the rotation top view, and the group should be in a, we can say, a beam. This one. Then a drawing method should be in members. Then I click to the OK. From the top, I'm drawing in a horizontal line this section. I'm choosing from this section to the center, then to the next view, after that to the center, then to the center also, and to this point, and again I click to this point, to the next point, and also to the next point. I click to the center point of the plate, and to the next point, and to the end of the beam. Then if I want to start from the new drawing, just I type S in the command line, and I'm going to find the section which is the same size that I'm drawing. Then I type S. Here it it's IPE 500. I draw to the end point and to the next point and to the next point, to this point also, to the next point. Then I click to the start. Here we have a 500. And to the midpoint. And also to this point. Now I'm going to draw in a vertical line that we have IPE 500. Here it's IPE 500 and the next beam. And from this point to this point, and from this point to this point, from this point to this point, from this point to the next point, this point is IPE 500 until this point. Now I'm going to draw IPE 400. Here we have IPE 400. To this point. Also, I will continue to this point. And here also we have a IPE 400. Make sure that you have to draw from the center to the center, that we can get the node in the final drawing. here we have IP 400. And from this point to this point, and also from here to this point. Here also we have IP 400. And here we have IP 400. We can choose a form also to assign the member. This is another way that we can assign the section to the line or to the center line. And we have IP 300. I'm using form member. We have this section, also this section. If we have a different section in one line, we have to draw by member. But if the size of the section continuously is the same, we can assign with the form member. I'm choosing IPE 400 for the below part of the structure. And for incline member, I add CHS by 219.1 times 12.7. Then I assign to the section. Here one section remains, which is IPE 500. When the whole structure model, we can turn off the layer to see the whole structure in MultiSTEEL. I want to show you how we can get the material summary. Before getting material summary, we have to define the item number. So we have to add items. Then in the frame name, I'm choosing the name of the drawing. Then after that, I will click to the material summary. I will open around the whole structure. In the material summary, we have a report side, which is total, cutting list, item sorted, size sorted, and data tags. We can add to the drawing, or we can export to the file, which is the Excel. I click to the add to drawing. You can see MultiSTEEL automatically will generate all the section by the item number, quantity, description, length, and weight. You can see the total weight is 22,621, which is 22 tons. There is a command in MultiSTEEL which is a command that is a set view, that we can see a structure in a different view, from the plan, from the left, from the right, from the back, and from the front. I will type SV in the command line, then I click to the front right. You can see this is the 2D view. Here we have a show 2D, also we have a show stick. I click to the show stick. A stick means line, that we can see in a line situation. And I can add symbol to the whole structure to see by the symbol. Also the symbol is in 3D view. You can see. Then I change it to the 2D. It means you can convert between a 2D and stick. And from the 2D, I will convert to the 3D. And now I'm going to convert to the 3D, show 3D. You can see the connection and the whole structure. If I want to see in a shading view, I click to the shade view. Now I click to the 2D view, then I type SV. I'm going to the plan. I want to get the center of the gravity for the whole structure. I click to the center of the gravity. I will open a window around the whole structure. And you can see MultiSTEEL calculate the whole structure, the quantity, the total weight, and the XYZ. The time taken is 4 seconds. And you can see the center of the gravity with the red plus. And finally, if we want to export the file to the analysis and design software such as Staad.Pro, SAP2000, SACS, we can use the export integrator link. I click to this part, then I'm going to the export link file. You can see MultiSTEEL integrator link window. We can export and also we can import with this application link. We have a SAP2000, Staad.Pro, PDS, PDMS, SACS, and also we can export with the SXF and DXF. Then I click to the Staad. You can define the folder location, then I click to the OK. And you can see MultiSTEEL will generate the whole structure for the Staad.Pro. And you can see this one is the Staad.Pro file that we can open it in Staad.Pro. I hope that you enjoy from this presentation. Thank you very much for being patient, and thank you very much for your attention.